So I simply share my screen, then we'll start.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now my screen is sharing, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this is your region. This region we already created the code, and now I just try to show you that how you can easily use this code and you can get the output from the code of the different year of VSI or Vegetation Health Index. Okay,
Index.
so
Okay.
in this code, I just use here the Moody's dataset. Okay, so you can first off you can try to use me the Landsat data, but Landsat data
Mm-hmm.
is very difficult for making the code or other process is very difficult, and so that's why I use here the Moody's data set, and then I try
Okay.
to calculate the VSI, and we already know about that VSI. So you already know about the VSI formula. You can see I try to show you that VSI formula index formula from the Google.
Okay.
Wait a minute. So I just will open this. Okay. So in here you can see the VSI or Vegetation Health Index. So
Mm.
this is the combination of the VCI, Vegetation Condition Index,
Condition
and
index.
TCI. This is the Temperature Condition
Temperature
Index. So
index.
when you want
Yes.
to calculate the VSI, then we need to also calculate the VCI and also need to calculate the TCI. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we need to calculate these things. So that's why in this map, first of all, you can see we created the 3 layer. So this is the for our VCI. It identify the Vegetation Condition Index, and this is the
Okay.
TCI. This identify the Temperature Condition Index, and this is the VSI. Okay,
Okay.
and you can see the both of 3 index is only for the year of 2015. Okay, so here you can see we can get the year of 2015 from the January to December. Okay, 12 is
Okay.
represented December. Suppose in this time you need the data for the year of 2016, you need the VSI condition for year of 2016, then you can simply put here the 16, also put here
Okay.
the 16 and click to the run. So now you can get the result for VCI, TCI and VSI for the year of 2016.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see, suppose you want to need all of the year together. Suppose you want to create the map, this map showing the all of the year. This year will be start from the year of 2000 from the 2022. Okay, you can also do it.
Okay.
Then it provide you all of the result, all of the result mean result you want to get. Suppose I simply put here the year of 2000, suppose 2004, from I want to need from the suppose 2020, this time
Mm.
period I want
Okay.
to need the result. So I simply created this, you can see. So now it will be showing my result, and it also showing my time series chart between this time period. What is the condition of the VCI TCI? So it's also generating the chart of time series chart. From the time series chart you can easily understand about your condition of the VCI, TCI or VCI. Okay, all of the things you can get. So in this
Okay.
time here you
Yeah.
can see which data I use here. So mainly when you want to calculate the VSI, we need the vegetation data. This vegetation data I can collect from the Moody's vegetation, and we also need to the land surface temperature data. And this data I collect from the Moody's. Two products I can get. First product is the NDVI, then LST. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I can both
Okay.
data set I want to get from the Moody's data, and then I simply select my start date and end date, and then I also want to use here the start month and end month. And if you want, you can also get the data or get the map separately month. Suppose you want to need the data for the January to March, so you can simply put here the 1, then March you can put here the 3. So January to March you can also get the data using the different month period. Okay, suppose January to
Periods.
February, March to February, March to April, you can easily get this data like this way.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, so in this time we can also use here we can simply calculate the NDVI, also calculated the LST, okay, land surface temperature, all of the things we
Mm-hmm.
calculated. And then you can see this is a lot of code. So mainly we can use the code for making the time series chart. We created the time series chart for every 8-day interval. Suppose we can get the data every 8 day. Suppose I can get the first value first January, then I can get the second value for the 8th January, like this
Okay.
data. Okay, so this is a lot of code so for making the chart 8-day. And then you can see when you want to calculate the VSI, we also need to calculate the VCI. And what is the VCI formula? You can see this is the VCI formula already defined here. You can see NDVI initial
Mm.
subtract with NDVI mean divided by NDVI max subtract with NDVI mean. So we can get the rearrange the data according to the mean max. Okay, then we can calculate the equation. Okay, then we can get the result for the VCI and also do for the same thing for the TCI. Okay, so you can see we can get all of the things. And what is the TCI formula? You can see TCI formula is the temperature maximum subtract with
Mm-hmm.
temperature initial divided by temperature maximum subtract with temperature minimum. So I simply put the formula. You can see I max or initial I divided by I max initial. Okay, then I get the result for the TCI. TCI means that temperature condition index. When I can get the VCI and TCI, then I can easily calculate the vegetation health index or VSI. So I can simply use the VSI according to the VCI and TCI result. Okay, and then I show the
Okay.
result for the VCI. Okay, and then I also calculated the time series chart for the two three things: VCI, TCI, and VSI. Okay, so in this time you can see I can get the result like this. Okay, in this time, okay, but you can see this is the result it's showing on my ArcMap software. But I want to need this map in my ArcGIS software. Okay, I need the map
Hey.
layout like this. So you can see I will share my screen. Wait a minute. So I create the map already. So I try to show you that. You can see. Okay, so I can see simple map. You can see this is the map. I just created this map in Google Earth Engine platform. So this
Mm.
map I created the Google Earth Engine platform. Like this map I created in Google Earth Engine platform. After this, I just export this map, then import in my ArcMap software, and then create this map like this for my research paper or my presentation work easily. So you can see this
Oh,
map I created in my ArcMap software. So that's why I suggest you can also try to install in your system in ArcGIS software. So in this time I will just try to show you that how you can easily export the TP image and make the map like this, and for your presentation work as well as also your research paper. Okay.
okay.
Okay, so I just simply write this code in a minute. Okay, so in this time I simply write the code for the export. Okay, so if you don't know how to use the code and other things, you don't need to understand about this. So just I set the code. You can easily export any tip image for your VCI, TCI, or whatever what year you need. You just change the year and you can easily export them. Then and then you can easily use this, no problem. So I can simply export this. Suppose I simply write the comment, export the tip image. Okay, so in this time I want to export the, suppose I can simply use here the export image to drive. Okay, so then I simply export this map. So I write my function.
Mm-hmm.
So first of all the image. So which image I want to export? So I want to export here, suppose I want to export the VCI result. So you can see where is the VCI result is included. I can see VCI. So I simply copy the VCI. VCI. Just copy
Okay.
and paste here VCI. Then description, it can be anything. So I simply put here the description is a suppose VSI. Okay, anything you can put here, no problem. Then folder, I can simply put the folder name which folder I put here, this folder is the automatically created. So I simply put the folder name is the Turkey. File name previous not needed for this time. Region is our shapefile variable name, and you don't need to memorize anything. So just I say you can use the same code for making your any VHI or TSI. And furthermore, if you want to interest to learn all of the code or all of the details, how it will be work, all of the function, then you can also join my online training program. Then you can easily understand. And we can check the resolution of the image. You can see what is the resolution of our satellite image. So this resolution is the 250-meter resolution. So I simply use here the number of the scale is the 250-meter. And CRS not needed, so I simply remove. Max pixel is need. Max pixel I simply put the 1E13. Shaders is not there, I simply remove. Okay, so in this time I simply use here the mean, and it also clip with my RY my shape file. So I simply click to the run. So now you can see what happened. Our task tab will be running. From this task tab, I simply download the TPMS. You can see this is a task tab. So I think it will be working in this time. Wait a minute. So okay, so you can see it will be yellow color. Simply click to here. Then I want to simply download this map as a TIFF format. So for this, I simply download this map as a TIFF format. So I simply click to the run.
Okay.
And then also click to the run. Okay, so now it will be working. So after completing this downloading part, then we will move to the ArcMap software. So in the meantime, you can also open your ArcGIS software. And I also do for the tasks from your ArcGIS software. Just I show you the instruction. Then you also follow the instruction, and you can easily make the map for the VSI.
Okay.
So you can also open this map. So in the meantime, it will be downloading. Okay. And I also send you the code so that you can easily use the code for downloading the any vegetation health condition for any time period. It's just you need to change the time period, what time period you want to hit. You can simply put the time period, then you can easily do. And you also need to register with the Google Earth Engine platform. When you want to use the code editor, you need to registration with the Google Earth Engine platform. So I also provide you a tutorial about this, how you can easily make the Google Earth Engine account. So according to this method, you can also make the Google Earth Engine account, and then you can easily run this code, and you can get the VCI result or TCI result, anything. So you can see it will be working. So when it will be finished, we can get the right sign like this in here. Then we can simply download this file and work with this. Okay. So just some time need for because this region. Okay. So yeah. So it will be working. So just some time we need.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
And Google Earth Engine platform is a very at the present time, it is the very essential tool for the any remote sensing analysis, and we can easily do very quickly and efficiently any remote sensing analysis or any trend analysis, anything we can do easily at the present time.
Yes. Yeah, I know. I use the ArcMap. Like I calculate the vegetation health index or vegetation condition index using the ArcMap, but one by one. It takes time many times, like.
Yeah, so
but
it takes a lot of time when you want to use the traditional software ArcMap or QGIS.
Yeah.
But when you use the Google Earth Engine platform, very quickly. So you can see I simply download my output, and from the output I simply import my ArcMap software. Then I can easily make the map.
Yes.
And this region is the big, so that's why it takes some time, because this is the lot of pixel value will be available in here. So that's why it will be take time. So we can also wait for this time. Yep.
Okay. I want to ask you a quick question.
Yeah.
This is pretty cool. I mean, but like each pixels have the value. Vegetation health index value.
Yeah.
Can I get this value in the Excel?
Yeah. When you want to export this map and open in ArcMap software, then you can also get
the
pixel value. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I got it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's hard to get the Lancet right. It's not useful.
Actually, when you want to use the Lancet 8, then we need to lot of procedure we need. Suppose first of all, because you can see when I use the data set for the modis, this data is the
Yeah,
ready-made data. This data is
yeah,
already
yeah.
ready-made for NDVI, and also you can see LST. Uh, we can find out the Lancet for the NDVI in Google Earth Engine platform, but this LST is not found. For the
Okay, okay.
LST, we need to work with the lot of data sets. So I also try to show you the another code. Wait a minute. And mainly when you want to use the drought monitoring or other things, we can use the modis data
Okay.
for making this code. So wait a minute. Okay, so in this time we can get the map according to this time period, year of 2014
Oh,
to 2022. So that's why it takes some lot of time, because every year has the lot of pixel value. Okay, so that's
yeah,
why
yeah,
it takes some time. When I want to use the only for the single year, then it will be, I think it will be completed at this time.
yeah, yeah. It's very fast. Yeah, I know.
Already gone 5 minutes for downloading. And in this time, you can also get the pixel value from here. You can see inspector tab. I simply click on the inspector and then click on my map. Then I can get the pixel value. You can see when I click to here, I can get the
Ah,
pixel
okay.
value for the three. You can see what we can also get the lat long. For the specific point, I can get the lat long and also get the, you can see VCI value. What is the VCI value? What is the TCI
Yeah,
value and what is the VSI value? I can get the all of the value from here. Okay. When I click any portion on the map, you can click, you can get the pixel value for the specific
got it.
point. And also you can see it will be showing the lat long, a specific lat long we can also get from here.
Okay. How is everything going in there?
Yeah.
How is everything going? I mean, are you students?
Okay, so in this time I am an student, but I have also an organization or institution about the remote sensing and GIS and remote sensing institution. I am the founder
Oh,
and CEO of this institution, and from this institution, I also teach you for the different types of GIS and remote sensing application, as well as we also provide you the all of the project work which are related to the GIS and remote sensing over the world from the
wow, it's cool, man.
yeah, so just people will just contact with us, and then we also and I have a office and I have a team with us, so that's why we can easily do for all of the tasks about the remote sensing and GIS. For any project work or any official work, we can easily handle.
Okay. Wow,
Yeah,
it's cool. Yeah. But you live in Bangladesh now?
yeah, so now I'm staying in Bangladesh, so in Bangladesh here. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to move to another country or do you
So
have a plan?
I have, after completing my honors, completing this honors or bachelors, then I have the plan to move to the another country.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, you can do it. I mean, like, because you know already, the remote sensing and GIS.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can get, the masters or PhD in somewhere.
yeah. So pray for me, and I also try.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so 8 minutes done. So in the meantime, you can also open your ArcMap software. Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Open now.
Okay, you open this ArcMap software, and then you can also
Yes.
import your shapefile, your boundary shapefile.
Oh, okay.
Import in your ArcMap software. Then when I send the TP image, then you can also import the TP image in ArcMap software. Then we also show you the procedure how you can easily make the map using this TP images.
Okay. Where's my shapefile? Let's see. Okay. It's ready.
So it will be storing total 20 years of data.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Sorry, 18 years. So it will be finished. You can see. So now it will be downloaded the TP images. Okay, you can see we can get the tick marks and like this. So I simply click to
Okay.
here and you can see open in Drive. So I simply open my
Oh,
Drive. Click to here, open in Drive. Then I can simply download it and I send you. Then you can simply share your screen. Then I show you the process how you can easily make the map. So I simply download.
okay.
I simply download. You can see download. So you can see this file is the total 4.4 megabyte. So can you send me your email? I can send you the file through your email.
Okay. I can type my email in here in
Okay,
the
no
chat.
problem. You can type this email in here. Then you can send me this email, and then you can simply share your screen. I also send you this file. Simply download from your Gmail, and then we also work with this. No problem. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I simply share it through the email, Gmail. So it loaded. Okay, so I also try to send you in your Fiverr Messenger. So I think what happened? Wait a minute.
Oh,
So
5 Okay.
okay, check it the TFM file from your Fiverr.
Okay. I download it.
Yeah, you download it and then you can simply share your skin. Then I also just for show you the procedure how you can easily make the map using the TP images. Then you can easily make the map.
Okay. Uh, let's share my screen now. Oh, Okay. Can you see it?
Yeah, so now it will be, yeah, so now it's okay.
I can open my arc map if you want.
Yeah, you can simply open your arc map. Yeah,
Okay.
in this time in here you can simply go to the downloaded file, which file I send you in arc maps of your Fiverr, through the Fiverr.
These guys, right?
Yeah, simply press and drag it and open it arc map software. Simply press and drag it and open it arc map software. Yeah,
How can I do that? I mean, like,
or import this file, yeah, tip file in your arc map software. Yeah, yeah,
um, connect the folder.
yeah.
Um, wow, a lot of things, man. Here.
Yeah, simply import it. Yeah, okay, so now this you can see our tip image as well as also our boundary we imported in here. In this time you can simply open your toolbox. So here you can see simply catalog, click on the catalog, you can see catalog. Yeah, then go to the system toolbox, yeah, toolbox, yeah, click to here, then system toolbox. From this toolbox you can simply go to the special analytics tool, special analytics tool. From this you can simply go to the extraction, yeah, then go to the extract by max, yeah, click to here, double click, yeah. Now in this time you can simply click input raster, click to here and select the VSL file, yeah, so this is your tip file, and then also you select your the boundary area, yeah, boundary area. Then you can simply, if you want, you can your destination, or simply click to the OK, no problem, simply click to the OK. Yeah, so now it takes some time for extract by max with your boundary and tip images. Then we can get the only
Okay.
for the boundary region, and black region will be gone. You can see a new layer will be created. You can just simply open this new layer and all of the close. You can see that new, this is our new layer. Simply click on the tick mark sign, then it will be gone. Right sign, yeah, yeah, not here. So you can
No.
up and below file, your shape file, yeah, yeah. You also
This
you
is
can, yeah. So click to here, click here, yeah, also click here, yeah. So this is the map for our VSI condition. In this time I want to add here the different types of symbology or color or other things. Okay, so for this you can
okay.
simply click on the extract tip image, extract tip image, extract tip image, the first layer, extract tip, up
That one?
below the layer, you can see below the layers,
Oh, here.
yeah, click to here, yeah, and then simply open the properties, yeah. So then go to the symbology. In this time you want to need the classified result, suppose classified pixel value result, or also you to need the stress.
Here, classified.
Classified means that, yeah, when you click to the classified you can get the result like this. You can see for the fast class showing the point 0.5 to the 4.3 and 43, and like this legend you can create it. Okay, in this time
Okay.
suppose you want to use this, simply click, you can see color ramp, simply click to the color ramp, yeah, click to here, and you want to show what's the color is messing with your vegetation area. Suppose you want to show the high health vegetation index showing the green color, then you can show the green color, and low you can see the color. So any color you want to select, according to your map, which color is the better, you can simply select this, and then you can see in this time low value showing this brown color, and high value showing the blue color. Okay,
Okay.
look like this.
Okay.
So if you okay, simply click here, so now you can see this color will be showing, and what color you want to need, you can simply select your any color. Okay, so you can see this
Okay.
is the map for our vegetation index, and high vegetation health index, it will be showing the blue color. Okay, also you can see low
Okay.
showing the brown color. So this is the map I created. in this time I want to create the map layout. So here you can see in the below you can simply see what I can say. You can see, simply go to the below, the two layer you can see, then
What's
below,
that?
also below the
Here?
bottom layer. Okay, so so you can see the two dot sign, you can see also here beside this, this layout view, you can see layout view, simply click here. In this time you want to simply just processing, suppose you want to just increase the map, simply you can see this is the menu bar button. You also, you can see menu bar button, not
Menu.
not here. You can also see the
Not.
beside the art tool,
Oh, here.
not here. You can see this the tool. So any option for I can also share accessing your skin, so then it will be better for your understand.
Yeah, you can access. How can do that?
Okay, so I also try to check how can I access this. It's not. So in this time, okay, so in this time you can simply click for in this time we need to just um different types of suppose you want to increase the area, increase the map, you want to add the legend, you want to add the title, other things we can easily do in here. Okay, so
Oh,
for
I got
this,
it.
yeah, so you can simply or if you want you can also show some tutorial in YouTube how to create the map layout in,
Ah,
or you can
I
easily
got
do
it.
it.
I got it. Like
Yeah,
scale.
map
Like
scale, map legend, map title, everything. Or you can simply search in YouTube for the how to make the map layout in ArcMap software, how to make the
okay.
map layout in
Yeah,
ArcGIS
yeah, yeah.
software. Yeah,
Don't worry about it. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah.
okay, so you can easily do it. So mainly we can use the code and make the map like this, and then we can easily create the map, and we can easily use
Okay.
this map for our research paper or other things, for our presentation work, research work, we can easily do it. Okay,
Okay. That's great. I mean, like, yeah, yeah, fine.
and you can easily make the map layout or other things easily. You can see this is our result. We can create it, and any year according the same process you can do. Just you can
Okay.
change the year and you can also do it. And I also send you the code link, as well as also send you the how you can easily create it, the created the Google Earth Engine account. So do you have the Google Earth Engine account? Uh,
Where did you share? Oh, Google Earth.
Art engine, yeah, click to here, then click to this link.
I already have the account, I guess.
Okay,
Oh
so
no.
if you have this account, you can simply open your code editor, and then you can easily run this code, which code I send you. A code
Here,
editor,
code
yeah,
prompt.
so this is the code editor. Okay, good. Okay, so your account is already created, so don't worry for this account. So in this time I just send you this code link, so you can simply open this code link and access this code. Wait a minute, so I simply
Okay.
send you the code link. So okay, where is this? So wait a minute.
Okay, don't worry.
So I simply share it in your Fiverr. You can see I send a link. You can just simply open the link, then you can easily access the code of the code editor. Okay, you can see. Yeah, so this is the code
Oh,
which code I developed for this result for the VHI, and you can easily change the year and is the month. You can easily do it, and you can easily run this code and you can get the result. Okay, and also
oh,
you can
that's
see,
great. I mean, if I run now, for example, it's gonna work, right?
yeah,
okay.
So you can simply go to the task tab. You can see task tab.
Oh,
Yeah.
just not. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
When you click to run, it will be stored in your Google Drive for this tip file.
Oh,
And
okay.
yeah, then you can simply run this and you can download that from your Google Drive, and then you can easily make the map layout or other things in your ArcMap software. Just we can get the data from here, okay, and then everything we
Uh,
can do in ArcMap software for pixel value or other things we can easily do.
okay. Just I need to use your like uh
This code,
this
yeah,
this link, right?
yeah. Use this code and
Uh,
simply download this and make the map layout other things. And what's the year you need, you can simply change the year. What's the month you need, you can simply change the month, and everything is the okay. Okay, and you can
okay.
also rename the description name. Suppose you want I simply use the VSI. You can use any name, no problem. You can you can put your
That's
name
okay. I
according
know,
your
like
file. Yeah,
okay. Now it's like I can find it in my drive, right?
yeah, Google Drive. So now it will be stored in your Google Drive. So after completing, you can simply open your Google Drive. Okay, so you can simply open the Google Drive, and you can, so you can see a file will be created, the Turkey. You can see Turkey at the below. You can see the below. Yeah. Not here.
Oh, I got it. Yeah,
Yeah,
that
yeah,
one.
yeah. So when it will be finished, you can simply open this folder. You can easily get the file in here.
Okay.
Okay, and then you can easily make the map layout or other things easily.
Okay, but it's not downloading, right? Oh, here,
It will
here.
be
Okay,
working,
it's processing.
Yeah, processing. Yeah, you can see it will
Oh, okay,
process.
I got it now. Yeah, that's great, man. Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
thank you. Yeah, just all I need, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Can I stop the share the screen?
Okay, so I simply share my screen.
Okay.
Okay, so now, okay. So according to this method, you can easily do it, no problem. And you can also try to for the any month or any year, which year you want to need. Suppose you want to need only for the January, you can simply put here the
Okay.
January. You need the January to February or February to March. You can simply it represented the one is represented the January, then two is the February, three is the March, then four is the April, then five is the May, like this, and 12 is the December. Okay. So according to this method, you can also try to export your which VCI you want to need, and you can create the map using the ArcMap software. So like this map.
Okay.
Okay, I hope you can
Yeah.
understand. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. I understand. Yeah, it's very clear. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Okay, thank you, you're welcome. And next time if you
Yeah.
need any work for anything, or if you want to learn the different types of GIS remote sensing technique, then you can just contact with me, and I hope you can easily learn all of the things. And we
Yeah.
so yeah. Okay, so
Sure, man. I mean, like we can work together. Like again. Yeah.
okay, thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, today is no more. Okay.
Okay. If I need the question, I can ask you again.
Okay, no problem. When you face any problem regarding this code, then you can just knock me. No problem. I will give you the solution or answer anytime. Okay.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Bye. Have a good day.
Okay. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.